Okay, let's finish this finally. We're missing 3 exercise. Yes, 92, 93. Missing 3 exercise. Which other quizzes? Ooh. So we will be test regarding our knowledge of variables, functions, and if. I don't know how much knowledge I have regarding those, so I don't know. Let's remove this. The price of an apple is calculated by an apple costs 2 Rustbucks. If Mary buys more than 40 apples, each apple only costs 1. You got a discount. Write a function that calculates the price of an order of apples given the quality bought. No hint. So we have to write our own function. Don't modify anything. Price of apples, what we want to do. So we would take a num probably. So I already kind of blank out. So we have to do this, right? So we'll take a number. So it's unsigned. For how size, maybe. I don't know what's the cap of that. So this will be called order. Then what we're gonna do is to oops, sorry, my friend, some urgent business. Yeah, so take the what do we want to get back is the price. We want to get back the price, so we would return a price, which is a will always be a number. So let's just put your size maybe if we can, and then this needs to be closed. Okay, so now let's match order, right? So let's say order is counts about x if x is, or I can just say, can I just say greater than, no, I can't do it like that, right? How can, or I can just do it if order is greater than 40, then we got a more than 40, so 40 doesn't go discount. More than 40, then you got a discount. If order is more than 40, then we would get the discount, which will return you order because each one costs 1, right? But if it is not, then else we would return order by times 2. Does it work? Whoa. Nope. Input. So why is it talking about the transform? Oh, we pass, I think. No, we don't. This is going crazy. Okay, what's going on? What's going on here? Do we got it pass or not? Why are you talking about quiz 2? The price. Can I find fun? Oh, this is the old thing, right? Okay, this is getting tricky. Let's clear everything and then do the watch again, and let's see what's going on. Yeah, this is a bit funky. I think I messed it up. I think it probably is me who messed it up. Yeah, so it's probably my fault. And whoa, it's going so crazy. And I just check everything. Now it's checking everything. Yeah, maybe I messed it up. This is quiz 2. Okay, quiz 2 failed. So nothing to do with quiz 1. Let's move on to the next quiz. So we're talking about strings, back and move, send, wow. Okay, we'll reference those if we got stuck, because I'm silly, so I'll probably got stuck. So input, we're going to give a list of string and commands. Uppercase, whoa, actually it's going to apply to a string it can either be uppercase string or trim the string, append bar to the string with specific amount of times. Extract form of this will, the exact form of this will be, input is going to be vector of two length tuples. First element is the string, second one is the command. The output string is going to be a vector of strings. Vector of strings, why? Why is it going to be a vector of strings? It's just let's see how it works. Complete this function. Input will be a tuple of two length tuples, so it will be a tuple. How do we say a tuple? So like that. What would that be? Like a string and command. So string will be a string, right? And a command, which is a command, I guess, is pub. So does it recognize? I hope it recognizes it. And it will output a vector of strings, so it will be a vector of strings. Is it like that? I don't know. I don't really know. Output would be a vec like that. So maybe vec, I have to put vec, right? Maybe like that. I am not sure. Let's cheat. let's double check. How can we do that? Vectors. Oh, vectors would be at chapter 8. This is a very good reference to the book. Chapter 8. Help me to find where everything is, because this is not easy to see. Yeah, we do vec. Oh, maybe we vec and then the quotation like this. Yeah, okay. Vec. Sorry about that. There is something going on in my life. I have to reply to messages at the same time. Right, okay. Complete the output. So now we have vec. So now we want not strings, probably string. But why the highlight is still? Did I do it correctly or did I do it wrong? Is it string or is it str? I think it should be a normal string, but it could also be something else. I don't know. We'll fix it if it doesn't work. So we want it to be a vec of string, so it's kind of like that, I guess. Should create empty string right now. String command and input iter to do complete the function. What do we want to do though? So we have. So we'll do something to the string. So we can trim it, we can uppercase it. But why do we need to be a vector of strings? I don't get it. Give a list of string commands. Vector. Okay, so there's like a list of commands, so it should be a list. So this should also be a vec. Oops. Okay. So then now we have a string and a command in iter. So then we do a match of the command. Oh, march again. Of course. Then we'll have this uppercase command. Then we will do some uppercasing, which is we would put it in here. How does it put it in here? Do we do the push? Do we push it in? How? Yeah, we do a push. We do a little pushy. Push it in. Push the uppercase of the string. So string dot upper, probably to uppercase or something like that. Output. Output dot push dot uppercase to ASCII uppercase. Not sure. Is it to ASCII uppercase? Maybe it's to ASCII uppercase. Right. So this is what we want to do. Quotation. We don't want to. Yeah, we don't want to return anything at this point. Next. Do we have to put the thing here like this? Guess I want to do next. Command trim. What would trim be? Trim. Do I just do a trim? What is it supposed to mean? What it is supposed to mean? Dot trim, right? I am really not sure how what non-append import have transform in scope transformer. We want the transformer, this one, my module super command. No, this transformer, so will be use super : transformer, maybe. No, super : my module transformer, probably. Yeah. So this one we got. This one, right? This one. What is this one? String. What can I do with it? What can I do with you? What can I do with you? Go to the top. Sorry about the dizziness. Slice. What can we do? Length. It's empty. Spikes. So cute. Unchecked. Mu unchecked. Split at mu. Maybe let me look at the test to see what they're expecting. They don't even use. They use trim. The trim is trimming the right space. So do we have something to trim the right space? We have the split white space. Split ASCII white space. Split ASCII white space instead. Whoa, there's a lot. Do we have one that just trim the white space? If it's possible, then that would be great. Now this is splitting, which is oh, I don't even have a W here. I don't think it matters too much, but is white space. Split. Oh, trim. Yes, this one. Dot trim. Yes, dot trim is good. Dot trim is good. I don't know why my suggestion doesn't found it. I think I haven't installed a proper linter or something for my beautiful IDK, what's it called? IDE? No. Yeah, I'm getting tired actually. That's why I'm talking to myself. But yeah, to S key uppercase, like I want to find this. So let's do the find here. Luckily I only have 5. So to S key uppercase. So this will probably work, I think, since we're not dealing with some crazy edge cases here. Okay, so next, let's move on to the last one, which is append, and append has a size inside, which is interesting. So we want to do command append, and then we have this the number, which is the times, right? And then we would push it, adding bar many times. Bar is saying specific amount of times. So the bar, 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 bar. Yeah, so append. Do we have a append? No, we have a push. We do have a push, right? Push string. We do have a push string. Hello. Oops. Okay. But do we need to write a for loop for that, or can I just do a multiplication on the string? That's my question. Let's give it a try. That would be really handy if it does. Push string. So if this would be bar times time, that would be good, right? But I don't know. Error. Woo, string in place. What have I done wrong? The referencing, right? Ooh, okay. It's getting more funky here. This needs to be bigger, I'm afraid. I can't read. Push expect string, but then I found nothing. Mismatch types. Oh yeah, I can't do this. I can't do this. Is there a way in strings that I can do that? Or, and also this is, oh, to string. So trim will give me an str, so I have to use toString probably. So I have to do this because it's trim, it become a slice, so I have to make it into a string again. And what else do we have here now? Yeah, the multiple sign is crazy, so if I remove this, it's probably not having a complaint, but the test will fail. Ooh, okay. Oh, I have to also do toString probably. Call modify expected string. No, this one. Modify strings in place. Yeah. If I do that dot toString, will I get something different? I know it still don't work, but I want something different so I understand what's going on. Okay, it still doesn't like, so it's not that, it's because this is mutating and this is not mutating. Okay. I can do dot copy, right? No, I can't. No, don't do this. what I can do is to do a format, right? I can use a format macro. Maybe. What was the macro? Is it format macro and print it out? So what options do I have? Put string, yeah. Oh, I can use a plus. It's a new owned string. So can I do a plus? Because I want something new. I don't need to modify it if I don't have to. Okay, give me something. Oh, give me something else. Ah. Okay, to owned. Ah. Okay. Require the owned string. This. Oops. Oh, running one test, it fails. Okay, thank you. Something else. So this one. Plus operator. Can I have a multiply operator, which makes things a little bit easier? Yeah, do I need a for loop? Yeah, so this is to own, then you can multiply. Am I asking for too much that like the thing that Python has that you can multiply a string? Is it too much to ask? Is it? Is it? Is it? Do I? Do I have to write my for loop for that? Oh, repeat method. Is it the? Do I strike go here? Do I strike go here? Repeat 3. What does it do? Ooh, come on. Ooh, repeat 3. Thank you so much. I would use it. I would use it. Dot repeat times. Okay, something else. What? Expect a string. But I found a string. Consider borrowing here. Oh, interesting. Why I need to put a star there? What's going on? Oh, this is horrible. Okay. Yeah, I'm just, usually it's fine when it's small, but this is too long. Repeat, expecting U size and U size for some reason. Whoa. Okay, I don't know why this is N, but this is what it is. That's why I suggest a star. It should not be N. Why is it N? This is so funky. Ooh. Arguments in the method are incorrect. Okay. I don't know why it becomes an N, but let's fix that by using a star. Now, only one problem. That is, this needs to be a reference to a string, but this becomes a string after repeat. So, we have to borrow it to itself. I don't know if that will work, but it's what the compiler said. So, yay, one pass. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. What's going on here? Oh, there's quiz 3. Okay, we pass. We pass. Okay, fine, cool. So, yeah. Okay. Quiz 3. Last quiz. Last one. Generics traits. Imaginary Magic School has a new report card generation system written in Rust. Cool. Currently, the system only reports creating report cards where students' grade is represented numerically. Okay. However, the school also issue alphabetical grades and need to be able to print both. Make the necessary code change in the struct report card and impel block to support alphabetical report cards. Change the grade in the second test to A+ to show that it will change allow alphabetical grades. So, do we just change it completely? Okay. Or do we have to be able to accept both, which is numeric? So this should be alphabetic. So we do those generic type thing, right? Right. So, okay, I can't remember. I can't remember. Pretend I remember, but I don't. So generics. 10, chapter 10. So let's have a quick revision of how to write generics. So that's the square bracket T. So if I have a struct, I want to have a generic, I would do a bracket here, like what I think it should be. So now grade would be depending on the type. So it would not always be F32, it will be depending. Student name, student age doesn't change. So I think that's that. And then impel, import card, also T. But now we would have a different T, right? So I have to also do this T here. So impel point. So now I have to write 2 probably. Report card print. So where should I add those generic types? That's the very good question. impel t and then print self string. It would achieve a grade of name dot grade. Does it work? Oops. Oh, I need a display. That's fair. Cannot be formatted. That is fair. I should do this because it needs a display, because otherwise it will probably not work. So let's do that. And now let's change this into what it's supposed to be, which is second A plus. Yay! I did it. This is super cute. Okay, I did it. Woo! Okay, I'll make it smaller so it's cuter. Woo! You made it to the finish line. We hope you enjoy learning about the various aspects of Rust. If you notice any issue, please don't hesitate to report them to our repo. Yeah, I have some issue, but I don't know whether that's me being silly or something wrong. But even if it is, I don't think I have the ability to fix it yet. But maybe in the future I can come back and see if I can fix anything. But this was fun. I finally finished the Rust links. Yay! Can I copy and paste that? Actually, I should screen cap this and tweet about it. I'm so happy about it. Yeah, let me screen cap this and I will tweet about it. And it's cute. By the way, follow me. No, like I mean like tweet about it. Now Twitter is not Twitter anymore, right? So I will probably post it on all my social media. So if you want to follow me on social medias, including Mastodon, I'm still kind of on Twitter. I still quit Twitter, but yeah, maybe I'll just use the crap. Yeah, I would skip the words, but okay. So yeah, I will post it on my social medias, and if people want to follow me on social medias, okay. So that's it. What are we gonna do next? I don't know. I still have some like hanging issues at the last one, right? Because I quickly go through it, but then I haven't done the extra challenge at the end. I may come back to it. It will be very, very challenging, but I see if I feel like it, or I could find some other open source things to do. So I contribute a lot to some Python library, including Hypothesis. So I may actually do that. So that would be Python. So I don't know if people want to see Python or Rust, I should do a polling as well on my social media and see what people really like. So there will be Python, but I can also find some maybe Rust issues on some of my friends' repo, make a mess at the repo, to contribute to as well. So yeah, let me think about what I want to do next. But the Rust thing was fun. I wish there's more. I think that maybe there are plans to add more, because some of them are just like, oh, the first exercise, and then kind of like feel like there's more coming. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I have someone tell me like, oh, I really like seeing you struggling. I was like, great. No, I'm like, seriously, like I'm really grateful that people are watching and enjoy this. So yeah, again, like primarily I was thinking that I would document myself struggling on learning Rust, but it seems that people are also benefiting from it, so it's a great thing and motivate me to do more. So yeah, let me think about what I'm gonna do next. Some open source contribution. Maybe I should change the title to something else, not learning Rust, but do OSS with me. Something like that. Yeah, so maybe we'll finish this bit that I was not finishing, or maybe we can read the appendix. So we will see. Maybe we still have a few like Rust episodes before we moved on to a completely new thing. And apparently I can't do more than one thing at once, because I'm not a pro streamer. I'm just streaming because I like it. So Yeah. So again, no schedule, no commitment, no string attached, no strings. Where are the strings? Okay, strings chapter. Okay, so yeah, yeah, but I will have to keep writing Rust because, like you see, I come back from holiday and forget everything. But I would take a short trip. I'm actually having holiday. You know, Thursday, Friday, and then holiday in UK. So I'll take a holiday and I would come back maybe late next week. But I have a lot of travel plans, so I don't know. Maybe I can stream while I travel or something like that. Maybe. Um, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. Again, no no commitment. But I would want to keep doing Rust, doing Python thing, doing Rust. So I don't get rusty. Ooh. So yeah. Sorry to babble around. This is a little bit shorter than I want because the quiz are fun, but like it's a bit short. But all good. Thank you so much, and I am going to see you when I see you. So bye.